Hello lovely viewers, you're welcome to Befeshow. Thank you so much for joining me, Kina Befe, on the ingredient series. Today I'll be talking about fennel seeds. This is what fennel seed looks like. They have that curvy shape like a C shape, and they are green in nature. So whenever you're buying your fennel seed, please make sure it is green because that indicates that it is fresh. Fennel seed is a perennial seed or herb, and it is indigenous to the native of the Mediterranean shores, okay? But these days, it is grown and used in almost every part of the world. Fennel seed is full of flavors and it's very aromatic in nature. In fact, ever since I got to know about fennel seed, I don't steam my fish or my meat without the presence of the seed. Even when it's not yet blended, the flavor is massive. Now let's talk about the health benefits of this fennel seed. Apart from the fact that it's full of flavor, it has loads of benefits. Fennel seed has a fascinating phytonutrient in it called the anethole. This anethole helps to fight against the presence or the occurrence of cancer, and it also fights against inflammation. Inflammation is like bloated body or swelling in our body. Another important nutrient in fennel seed is the copper, which is responsible for the formation of a red blood cell. Fennel seed is very rich or is high in fiber. And what fiber does to our body is that it helps to regulate elevated cholesterol. So fennel seed is very, very rich. So I'll advise you to start incorporating it into your meal. There's one fascinating thing about fennel seed. Chewing raw fennel seed, like as it is now, helps to control bad breath. So you can pick 10 of it. I'm going to show you a practical example, and then you chew it. The taste is normal. It's not peppery. It's not bad. Everybody can chew this fennel seed. Immediately you chew it, okay, you feel the fresh breath in your mouth, like it's fresh, as if you just finished brushing your teeth right now. So if you know anybody that has mouth odor, whether your friend, your colleague, but you don't know how to, tell the person, it's very shameful. You can help the person by telling the person to chew this. So you can help the person because it will help the person control his or her bad breath. Maybe the person doesn't know he or she has bad breath. But just tell the person the health benefits of chewing or taking in fennel seed. It can help. That's one thing I love about fennel seed. Okay, so I'll advise you that if you have any health related issue, please visit your medical practitioner so he can advise you whether you can incorporate it into your meal or not. But if you're healthy and you're not allergic to anything, please incorporate this wonderful spice full of aroma and nutrients into your meal, and you'll never regret it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell down below it so that you can be notified on my next video, because I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss it. Leave your comments down below of what you think about fennel seed, if you've incorporated it into your meal before, and if you just started incorporating it into your meal, how do you think? Or what's your take on it? Has it changed anything about your meal? Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet next time, keep spreading love. Bye bye.